Hey! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. Start by going into Tab menu. Now click on Smart Rotate icon, and as you can see, mine turned blue. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into Settings and choose Display. Then scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen feature. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!